Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do the sums of exercise 2.1 of class 7. Okay students, the sums are based on fractions and decimals. So in this chapter we are going to solve the fraction sums using addition, subtraction and by finding the LCM. Okay, let us go to the sums. First one, 2 minus 3 by 5. Here you can see one whole number and one fraction number is given. So let us see how to subtract these two numbers. Okay students, first thing what we have to do, here it is 5 and if the number is not there, we have to consider that as 1. So the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. You have to write the LCM number commonly in the denominator. Okay students, if you see here 5 is the LCM and the numerator of 5 is 3. So write 3 as it is because here you are having 5 LCM. So just I am writing the 3 as it is. Here in the denominator you are having 1 but our LCM is 5. Okay students, so what I am going to do, just multiply this LCM number with this numerator. So you will be getting 10. 5 2s are 10. So now denominator you have 5 and numerator you have 10 minus 3. So you can solve easily. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 5. Coming to the next sum, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Here they have given two fraction numbers. We are going to add these two fraction numbers. Let us see how to add. First step what we have to do, we have to find the LCM. In the denominator they have given 5 and 7. So first find the LCM of these two numbers. LCM, I told you in the last video what is the full form of LCM means least common multiple. Okay students, let us see how to find the LCM. See 7 comma 5. So just you have to divide the numbers. 7 ones are 7 and 5 is not a multiple of 7. So just put 5 as it is. Next 5. Here put 1 as it is. 5 ones are 5. Okay students. So till the 1 comes you have to divide like this. Next you have to multiply. 7 5s are 35. That will be your LCM. So LCM, write LCM in the denominator. Here you are having 5. 5 into what number gives you 35? That is your LCM. 5 7s are 35. That 7 you have to multiply in the numerator. Okay students, 5 into 7 we will be getting the LCM. That 7 you have to multiply with the numerator. 3 7. 3 into 7 is 21. Again here you are having 7. Okay students, 7 into what number gives 35? 7 into 5 gives you 35. That 5 you have to multiply with the numerator. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay students, now the LCM is 35. So you can add the numbers easily because we have the same denominator. 21 plus 10 is equal to 31 by 35. So first step you have to do is, first you have to find the LCM. Next you have to write the LCM commonly and the number what you multiply with the denominator you will be getting the LCM. That number should be multiplied with the numerator. Okay students, first you should convert this into like this. So next you have to add 21 plus 10 is equal to 31 by 35. Next sum, here they have given the mixed fraction. This is known as a mixed fraction. Now we are going to see how to add these mixed numbers. Okay students, first you have to convert these mixed numbers into fractions. Okay, let us see how to convert this mixed numbers into fraction. So like terms, unlike terms like that. 2, 2 by 3. Okay, so what you have to do? 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3 plus 2 3s are 6. You have to multiply these two numbers and you should add the answer with this number. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have converted these numbers into fractions. Okay. Now you have to find the LCM. Already we have done no in the last two sums. Same steps you have to follow. 3 and 2. So the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Okay students, 3 2s are 6. So put 6 as it is. 6 is your LCM. 3 into what number gives you the LCM? Yes, 3 into 2. That 2 you have to multiply with the numerator. 8 into 2, 16. Plus 2 into what number gives you the LCM? 3. That 3 you have to multiply with the numerator. 7 into 3, 21. So now you can add easily. 16 plus 21, 37 by 6. Again you should convert this fraction into a, because in the question no, we have mixed numbers. So again you convert this in terms of mixed number and write. Okay students, so how to convert this? Just you divide 37 by 6. 37 divided by 6. Okay. So 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 1. So how to write this? First you have to write the quotient. Your quotient is 6 and your remainder is 1 divided by the divisor. This 6. 6 1 by 6. Okay students. Next coming to the second sum. Convert it in the descending order. So what is the meaning of descending? Descending means bigger number to smaller number. You all know to write the whole numbers in descending order, ascending order. You all write easily. Do you know to write the fraction numbers? Okay, let us see how to write the fraction number in descending order. Here you can see they have given numbers 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. While seeing the number, you feel little difficult to find which is the larger number, which is the smallest number. So what I am going to do? First, all the denominators, convert these denominator into the same number. Okay students, how to do this? Again LCM. Find the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. See, 9, 3, 21. Just find the LCM. How to find the LCM? So, common multiple. Take the common multiple. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So, for 3 and 7, no common factor is there. Okay. So, just write 3 1s are 3. Put 1 as it is, 7 as it is. Again, 7 1s are 7. Now, multiply all these numbers. 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. Your LCM is 63. Okay students. Now all the denominator, convert these denominator into LCM number. 9 into if you multiply 7 with 9 you will be getting 63. Same number you should multiply on the top also. Okay students, so 14 by 63, 42 by 63, 24 by 63. Now all the denominators are same. So you can see which is the greatest number. All the denominators are same. By comparing the numerator, you can see, you can write now from in descending order, from bigger to smaller number. Okay students, just understand this concept of finding the LCM and adding and subtracting the fraction numbers. Same thing you are using in the whole exercise. In the next thing, you are going to do the problems. Same concept you are using. So this is the basic concept. Just understand this carefully. Do the sums again and again in the rough note and practice. Thank you.